Intermittent tube cleaning is possible to be done in case of a evaporator. A. Basket type. B. Horizontal tube. C. Calandria. D. None of these. The correct answer is basket type. Arithmetic mean area can be used in heat transfer problem to calculate the heat flow by conduction through a cylinder which is A. Thin-walled having the value of AOAI2. B. Thick-walled. C. Having the value of AOAI2. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is thin-walled having the value of AOAI2. Three solid objects of the same material and of equal mass, a sphere, a cylinder length, diameter, and a cube, are at 500 C initially. These are dropped in a quenching bath containing a large volume of cooling oil, each attaining the bath temperature eventually. The time required for 90 change in temperature is the smallest for A. Cube. B. Cylinder. C. Sphere. D. Equal for all the three. The correct answer is cube. Overall heat transfer coefficient for cooling of hydrocarbons by water is about A. 50-100 cal/hr.m2. C. B. 50-100 watts m2. K. C. 50-100 BTU/hr. Feet to floor. D. 1000-1500 BTU/hr. Feet to floor. The correct answer is 50-100 BTU/hr. Feet to floor. Absorptivity of a perfect black body is unity. Which of the following has maximum absorptivity? A. Aluminium foil. B. Refractory bricks. C. Iron plate. D. Coke breeze. The correct answer is Coke breeze. At what value of Prandtl number the hydrodynamic and thermal boundary layers of a fluid flowing over a heated plate will be identical? A1, B1, C1, D. None of these. The correct answer is 1. Fourier's law of heat conduction applies to surfaces. A. Isothermal. B. Non-isothermal. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Chart is known as transient heat conduction chart. A. Derings. B. Heilers. C. Mollius. D. Cox. The correct answer is Derings. Choose the most important factor on which the heat conducted through a wall in a unit time will depend on A. Thickness of the wall. B. Area of the wall perpendicular to heat flow. C. Material of the wall. D. Temperature difference between the two surfaces of the wall. The correct answer is temperature difference between the two surfaces of the wall. Which of the following has the minimum thermal conductivity? A. Nitrogen. B. Steel. C. Carbon black. D. Tar. The correct answer is nitrogen. In a heat exchanger, one transfer unit means A section of the exchanger in which change in temperature of one stream equals the average driving force in the section. B. The size of the exchanger in which heat transfer rate is 1 kcal/hr. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct answer is a section of the exchanger in which change in temperature of one stream equals the average driving force in the section. For condensation of pure vapors, if the heat transfer coefficients in film-wise and drop-wise condensation are respectively HF and HD, then A. HF/HD, B. HF/HD, C. HF/HD, D. HF could be greater or smaller than HD. The correct answer is HF/HD. Pick out the wrong statement. A. The capacity of an evaporator is reduced by the boiling point elevation. B. Corrosive liquid is normally passed through the tubes in a shell and tube heat exchanger. C. Steam jet ejector is used for vapor compression in a thermal recompression evaporator. D. Heat-sensitive materials should be concentrated in high-pressure evaporators. The correct answer is heat-sensitive materials should be concentrated in high-pressure evaporators. For concentrating an aqueous solution of a material like anhydrous Na2SO4 whose solubility decreases with rise in temperature, the most suitable evaporator is a evaporator. A. High pressure. B. Vacuum. C. Backward feed. D. None of these. The correct answer is vacuum. Circulation pump is located below the evaporator to A. Avoid cavitation. B. Avoid frequent priming. C. Create more suction head. D. None of these. The correct answer is create more suction head. The statement that maximum wavelength of radiation is inversely proportional to the temperature is law. A. Stefan Boltzmann's. B. Planck's. C. Wien's displacement. D. None of these. The correct answer is Wien's displacement. Steam condensate is recovered by steam traps and recycled for use as boiler feed water because of its low A. hardness. B. dissolved solids content. C. suspended solids content. D. all A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. At steady state, the temperature variation in a plane wall made of two different solids I2 is shown below. The thermal conductivity of material I. A is smaller than that of 2. B is greater than that of 2. C is equal to that of 2. D can be greater than or smaller than that of 2. The correct answer is smaller than that of 2. Duhring rule is important in solving problems on A. distillation. B. crystallization. C. evaporation. D. humidification. The correct answer is evaporation. In a shell and tube heat exchanger, the height of 25% cut baffles is equal to where D inside diameter of shell. A. 0.25 D. B. 0.75 D. C. 0.50 D. D. None of these. The correct answer is 0.75 D. Multiple effect evaporation is generally recommended when the A. large-scale evaporation of liquor is needed. B. corrosive liquids are to be concentrated. C. fuel is cheaply available. D. evaporation on small scale is to be done. The correct answer is large-scale evaporation of liquor is needed. The inside heat transfer coefficient in case of turbulent flow of liquid in the tube side in a 1-2 shell and tube heat exchanger is increased by times when the number of tube passes is increased to 8. A to 0.8. B for 0.8. C for 0.4. D to 0.4. The correct answer is for 0.8. Heat exchanger is the most suitable when the temperature of shell side fluid is much higher than that of tube side. A. single pass fixed tube sheet. B. U-tube. C. 3-pass fixed tube sheet. D. none of these. The correct answer is U-tube. In which mode of heat transfer the Biot number is important? A. transient heat conduction. B. natural convection. C. forced convection. D. radiation. The correct answer is transient heat conduction. Paint has the minimum absorption coefficient. A. black. B. white lead. C. gray. D. light cream. The correct answer is white lead. Asymptotic conditions is reached when for a fluid flowing in laminar flow through a long tube. A. exit fluid temperature wall temperature. B. exit fluid temperature wall temperature. C. exit fluid temperature wall temperature. D. Gray's number 100. The correct answer is Exit fluid temperature. Wall temperature. 1000 kilograms of wet solids are to be dried from 60 to 20 moisture by weight. The mass of moisture removed in kg is A 520, B 200, C 400, D 500. The correct answer is 400. Which is the most suitable for the concentration of highly concentrated solution? A. Open pan evaporation. B. Long tube vertical evaporator. C. Agitated film evaporator. D. None of these. The correct answer is open pan evaporation. Unsteady state heat conduction occurs when A. Temperature distribution is independent of time. B. Temperature distribution is dependent on time. C. Heat flows in one direction only. D. Three-dimensional heat flow is concerned. The correct answer is temperature distribution is dependent on time. What is the absorptivity of a black body? A 1, B 0, C 0.78, D 0.95. The correct answer is 1. Mode of heat transfer in which the fluid moves under the influence of changes in fluid pressure produced by external work is called A. Radiation, B. Natural convection, C. Forced convection, D. Conduction. The correct answer is forced convection. Baffle spacing. A is not the same as baffle pitch. B should be less than 1/5 the diameter of the shell. C should be less than the inside diameter of the shell. D. None of these. The correct answer is should be less than the inside diameter of the shell. Boiling point elevation of a solution of NaOH. A increases rapidly with temperature rise. B is almost independent of temperature. C is almost independent of pressure. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. The advantage of backward feed multiple effect evaporators over forward feed units is that A. Heat-sensitive material can be handled. B. There is no additional cost of pumping. C. Most concentrated liquid is at highest temperature. D. Equal heat transfer coefficients exist in various effects. The correct answer is most concentrated liquid is at highest temperature. Which of the following is the most controlling factor for the rate of bubble detachment from the hot solid surface? A. Liquid density. B. Liquid viscosity. C. Hot surface temperature. D. Interfacial tension. The correct answer is interfacial tension. Which characteristic of a fluid is not important in deciding its route in a shell and tube heat exchanger? A. Corrosiveness. B. Fouling characteristic. C. Viscosity. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Thermal conductivities of most of the liquids with rise in temperature. A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains unchanged. D. May increase or decrease depends on the liquid. The correct answer is decreases. A metal ball of radius 0.1 m at a uniform temperature of 90 C is left in air at 30 C. The density and the specific heat of the metal are 3000 kg m3 and 0.4 kg kg.K respectively. The heat transfer coefficient is 50 watts m2.K. Neglecting the temperature gradients inside the ball, the time taken in hours for the ball to cool to 60 C is A. 555, B. 55.5, C. 0.55, D. 0.15. The correct answer is 0.15. The purpose of floating head in a heat exchanger is to A. Avoid buckling of tubes. B. Provide support for tubes. C. Decrease the pressure drop. D. Facilitate its lengthening if needed. The correct answer is avoid buckling of tubes. 1000 kg of liquid at 30 C in a well-stirred vessel has to be heated to 120 C using immersed coils carrying condensing steam at 150 C. The area of the steam coils is 1.2 m2 and the overall heat transfer coefficient to the liquid is 1500 watts m2. C. Assuming negligible heat loss to the surrounding and specific heat capacity of the liquid to be 4 kg. C. The time taken for the liquid to reach desired temperature will be A. 15 min, B. 22 min, C. 44 min, D. 51 min. The correct answer is 51 min. Overall thermal resistance for conductive heat transferred through a series of flat resistances is equal to the A. Maximum resistance in the series, B. Sum of all resistances, C. Average of all resistances, D. Minimum resistance presents in the series. The correct answer is sum of all resistances. Double pipe heat exchangers are preferably useful when A. High viscosity liquid is to be cooled, B. Requirement of heat transfer area is low, C. Overall heat transfer coefficient is very high, D. A corrosive liquid is to be heated. The correct answer is requirement of heat transfer area is low. Removal of heat is involved in the condensation of a vapor under saturated conditions. A. Super, B. Sensible, C. Latent, D. Both of C. The correct answer is sensible. The rate of heat transfer from a vertical plate by natural convection depends upon the temperature differences T between wall and outside bulk. The proportionality is given as AT14, BT12, CT54, DT34. The correct answer is T34. If air, a non-condensing gas, is present in a condensing vapor stream, it will the condensation rate of vapor A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Not affect, D. Increase the condensing film coefficient as well as. The correct answer is decrease. Prandtl and Reynolds analogies are identical for Prandtl number value of A0, B 0.5, C 1, D 5. The correct answer is 1. The outlet temperature of cooling water in a heat exchanger is generally not allowed to exceed above 50 C in industrial practice, mainly to avoid A. Its evaporation loss, B. Excessive corrosion, C. Uneconomic LMTD, D. Decrease in heat exchanger efficiency. The correct answer is excessive corrosion. In evaporators, lowering the feed temperature A. Increases the heating area required, B. Reduces the economy, C. Both A and B, D. Decreases the heating area required. The correct answer is both A and B.